Hello everybody, it is Springboard Trap and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be my 400 subscriber special video. We're going to be unboxing all these crates here. Before I get started with that, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I am very happy we hit 400 subscribers. It really means a lot to me that people actually watch my videos. I know my videos, I know I said this kind of in the dropship video, but I know my videos aren't the best, but it really makes me very happy that people actually do subscribe and watch my videos. So with this, I bought like 5 of the Wicked Windfall collection crates, and then a bunch of Summer 2020 crates. I have 10 of them here, 5 of these here. And they are very expensive, so I would have probably bought more, but just the keys are just very expensive. So, we're gonna start with the Wicked Windfall collection. As you can see, I already bought a few of them, and I already have some of these here, but I decided to buy a few more, because there is still some I would like off this. Plus, I could always turn any cosmetics into, different ones. So let's get started here. Hopefully gonna get unusual. Very nice. Seared saucer. Oh, it's a strange though. I'll take it. Yeah, it just makes me very happy that people want the Boom Boxers. It just really makes me happy. I don't know. You're probably gonna hear that because I'm just very happy and I'm very surprised. I already have that. I didn't see what the other one was. It looked like the helmet for Soldier. The Man Witch. You have that. Some handy thing. Last one here. The King Card figure. I almost said that. Ooh, I like this. The Tree Hugger. And the gift wrap. Very nice. So that's all the Halloween ones done. Go here. Now we have the Summer 2020. The main reason why I bought these specific ones is just because I thought some of the items look cool. Like, the main reason why I buy, like, specific crates is because the items look cool. Also, I just pick out random ones, and that is a strange poolside polo. Don't know if I'm going to use it, but it is a strange, so... strange. Say that, but that is a spy crab. Smoker in it, so I'll definitely take that. I can finish up 2 cities now. Yes, the Pisco. assume that's for soldier or demo, if I have to take a guess. And last one. Let's see, get something good. I think that would probably be for scout, right? Don't mind that. Yeah, so the specs. Wait a minute. What is this? Oh, God. Well, I didn't realize. What else was critical? Pyro. I have a lot of loadouts here because I did buy a whole bunch of stuff. So that looks very similar to this hat here looks very similar to the fire Bandini. Where is it? Yeah, this one. This one looks very almost similar. Just that this one actually has a little whatchamacallit, what do you call that around its head? I don't actually know. Scarf, maybe? And this one's just a little bandini. So that's gonna do it for this video. It wasn't gonna be long. Although I definitely wanted to get something out for a 400 subscriber special. Plus, this was a little bit pricey, like, because keys cost a lot. So, but that's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.